Welcome to a world of better digestion. It starts by eating mindfully. Chew thoroughly and savor each bite. Your body will thank you for it. Add fiber-rich foods to your meals. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds help promote regular bowel movements. Hydration is key. Water softens stool and aids digestion. Say no to processed foods. They're often packed with additives and preservatives that disrupt digestion. Choose whole, minimally processed foods instead. Invite probiotic foods to your table. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, kombucha. They introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut. Keep stress at bay. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or a simple walk in nature can help. Consider digestive herbs and spices. Ginger, peppermint, fennel, turmeric, chamomile. They soothe the digestive system and alleviate discomfort. Opt for smaller, more frequent meals. They prevent overeating and reduce strain on your digestive system. Careful with fatty and spicy foods. They can exacerbate indigestion or acid reflux. Exercise regularly. It stimulates bowel movements and eases constipation. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night, and remember, if digestive issues persist, seek professional advice. By adopting these natural strategies, you can improve digestion and support overall digestive health. Here's to a healthier, happier you.